All right, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. Here is the third iteration of Similarity. So we looked at angles, corresponding angles are congruent, corresponding sides are proportional. Now, what happens if you don't even have a picture and you just have a little story? Well, you might have to draw, and that's okay. Let's check it out. Follow along as I read. A fire hydrant, 2.5 feet high, cast a 5-foot shadow. How tall is a street light that casts a 26-foot shadow at the same time? Okay, so let us draw. So we have a fire hydrant. Boom, there you go. We got the sun. Boom. You don't have a lot of time when you take the ACT, so we're just going to draw some crude little pictures. There's my street light and there's my shadow like this. So then I go back and fill in. A fire hydrant is 2.5 feet high and casts a 5-foot shadow. So copy down 2.5 feet high and a 5-foot shadow. And if I draw this, that creates a right triangle, a similar triangle. Then, notice I'm reading the problem twice. How tall is a street light that casts a 26-foot shadow at the same time? So the shadow is here, 26-foot shadow. And how tall is the street light? Bam. Got it. So that's all I'm looking for is how tall is the street light. Cool. So now I'm going to figure out corresponding sides. So this height and the height are corresponding. So I'm going to go boom, ba boom. So 2.5 to x. Bounce back and forth. So here, then bounce back here is 5 is corresponding to 26. Got it. Ooh, this is times 2, isn't it? And so so what times 2 is 26? That would be 13. So I can think about it that way. Or I can cross multiply and divide if you can't see it that way. That's cool too. So 5 times x is 5x. And I have 26 times 2.5. 26 times 2.5 is 65. 5x equals 65. Divide by 5. And I get 13. Same thing. So the street light is 13 feet tall. Got it. Now, let's do another one. Back to our worksheet. See if you can draw this picture and solve it. Following as I read. A person 1.6 meters tall stands next to a lifeguard platform. If a person casts a shadow of 1 meter and the lifeguard observation platform casts a shadow of 1.5 meters. I couldn't read there for some reason. I don't know what's going on. Probably because I'm not going to allow sleep. How high is the platform? Okay. So, go. All right, let's see what we got. So a person, 1.6 meters tall, and lifeguard platform, 1.5 meters. I'm getting my picture right. There you go. So a picture should look something like this. So a person 1.6 meters casts a 1 meter shadow. I can use this sun if I want from up here. So how tall is the lifeguard observation platform? When we have 1.5 meters there for the shadow. Okay, let's set up our proportions. So 1.6 x equals 1 over 1.5. Bam. Cross multiply. 1 times x is just x. 1.6 times 1.5 is 2.4. Cool. 2.4 meters. Never forget the unit. Got it. Nice job. All right, next one. This is what I want you to do. So take a look at this. What did Mr. Irish do incorrectly? And I want you to fix it. So here's the problem. A giraffe is 18 feet tall and casts a shadow of 12 feet. Corey casts a shadow of 4 feet. How tall is Corey? So here's my picture. Let's just say there's 12 feet down there. There's x. And here's my proportion. What did I do wrong? And how should I fix it? Ready, set, go. All right, let's see. Hopefully you explained it correctly. Let me see if we got it. So, uh, uh, uh. So I put 4 feet here and X. Is that correct? No, Corey casts a shadow of 4 feet. How tall is Corey? So the 4 and the X should be reversed. I mislabeled my picture. So no, 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 no. This should be X. This should be 4 feet. So now let's have our proportion. 18 over X equals 12 over 4. Oh, what's this? This is 12 divided by 3 here. Look at patterns. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Got it. So I can cross multiply and divide, or I can do that. So the answer is 6 feet tall. So Corey is 6 feet tall. Bam. Got it.